Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, what is the date today? Date is 30/12/21. Class 11C. Subject psychology. Revision we are doing, and in revision today I have to start the chapter perception. And the topic of today is also perception. This is a chapter which includes the sensation, attentional and perceptual process. The chapter name is Sensation, Attention and Perceptual processes. Sensation, attention and perceptual processes. So in this term and from this chapter, we are discussing about the perception. From this chapter, sensation, attention and perceptual processes, we are discussing the perception. So basically, I already discussed with you the two terms from this chapter, which is sensation and attention. Firstly, if I discuss about, so we have discussed what is sensation. I told you what is sensation. So what is sensation, children? So sensation is the information which we received from our sense organ. The information which we received from our sense organ, जो information हम अपने sense organ से receive करते हैं, the information which we receive from our sense organ is known as sensation. हमारा जो सेंस ऑर्गन है वो जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें देता है, that the process which is take place, that is known as sensation. And उस information को, if in that information if we assign a meaning, if we interpret its meaning, so it is known as perception. The information which we receive from our sense organ is known as sensation. और perception क्या है? So what is perception? This is a question. So perception is the interpretation of the information which we The interpretation of the information which we receive from our sense organ, is known as, the interpretation of the information received from our sense organ is known as perception. जो इंफॉर्मेशन हम अपने सेंस ऑर्गन से रिसीव करते हैं और उस इंफॉर्मेशन पर जो हम इंटरप्रिटेशन करते हैं या मीनिंग असाइन करते हैं, सो उसे हम कहते हैं परसेप्शन. सो परसेप्शन क्या है, सेंसेशन क्या है, जो आपके सेंस ऑर्गन ने आप इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव की, दैट इज अ सेंसेशन. बट आपने उसको जो मीनिंग असाइन किया, इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, दैट इज अ परसेप्शन. And perception of everyone is differ from each other. That is why everybody's perception is differ. And perception was judged on the basis of the person's own characteristics. Person का जो perception होता है, person के खुद के characteristics पे होता है. जैसे वो खुद होते हैं, उनके जो traits होते हैं, उसके accordingly वो perception करते हैं, या जिस भी environment में वो रहते हैं उसके according वो perception करते हैं. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज परसेप्शन. सो परसेप्शन क्या है, परसेप्शन इज बेसिकली द इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन विच वी रिसीव फ्रॉम अवर सेंस ऑर्गन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, योर स्किन सेंस ऑर्गन, समथिंग इज हैविंग अ काइंड ऑफ पिंच वॉज देयर, एंड द मीनिंग विच यू असाइन टू इट, कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पिंच इट इज. इज इट अ पिंच ऑफ मस्क्वाइटो बाइट और एनी पिन पॉइंटेड चीज, कोई ऐसी पिन पॉइंटेड थिंग जो है वो उसने आपको हर्ट किया. व्हाट इज द इंटरप्रिटेशन यू आर मेकिंग, दैट इज योर परसेप्शन. ओके, आई होप द थिंग विच आई हैड रिटन ऑन द बोर्ड यू ऑल हैव रिटन डाउन. चलो, ओके, so I am removing it with the hope you all have written it down. Perception, whenever we do the perception, we do the processing. So obviously processing was done in a two manner. Processing in perception. So there are two kinds of processing we do. First, bottom up processing. Second, top down processing. So two kind of processing are discussed. The one is bottom up processing and second is top down processing. We can do the processing in a two manner, bottom up, ठीक है, bottom up, top down. Now what is bottom up and what is top down? It's all about part to whole and whole to part. Bottom up यानी you are going to part to whole, and top down means you are going whole to part. यानी basically we do the processing in the two manners. हम दो मैनर में प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट, किसी भी थिंग, किसी भी स्टिमुलस, पर्सन, एनीथिंग, वी डू इट इन अ टू मैनर. फर्स्ट, part to whole. Either we see the parts of the object, then we see it as a whole, or either we see it as a whole, then we goes to the part. So processing दो तरीके से हो सकती है, bottom up and top down. I hope it is clear now. Now moving to the next topic related to this particular topic. It is perceiver. Perceiver. Perceiver characteristics also somewhat influence the perception. Characteristics. Perceiver की जो characteristics होती है वो भी perception को influence करती है. जो भी perceiver की characteristics है वो perception को influence करती है. There are so many characteristics of the perceiver. Perceiver, who is the perceiver? Who perceive the thing? जो perceive करता है उसे हम perceiver कहते हैं. Perceiver are those who perceive the things. So perceiver के कुछ characteristics होते हैं जो perception को influence करते हैं. जैसे कि first आता है perceiver motivation. Second, perceiver style. Third, perceiver style. Cultural background. perceiver motivation level, perceiver style, cultural background. ठीक है, ये सब आएगा perceiver के characteristics में. और perceiver का experience. So these are some of the characteristics of the perceiver which influence the perception. Please note it down. जब हम perceiver के motivation की बात कर रहे हैं, okay, so सबसे पहला the first point here is perceiver motivation. The first point here is perceiver motivation. Perceiver motivation means, what does it mean? What does it mean? Perceiver motivation means is related to the need. Motivation is related to the need. We get na the motivation means there are two types of motivation of the person or need of the person. So one is physical or biological need, and second is the psycho or social need. So motivational is related to the need. So according to the need of the person perceive the situation. Person की जैसी need होती है उसके according उसका perception होता है. Suppose the person is very hungry and that person is reading the magazine. So everywhere maybe the person will be able to perceive the food item. जहाँ भी वो देखेगा food item. Similarly, the person is walking on the road and he is thirsty. So everywhere the person is looking for any kind of, हर जगह से या तो कोई वाटर की शॉप पे उसका जो अटेंशन है वो ज़्यादा जाएगा. So our need also determine our perception, our motivation. जो भी हमारा need रहेगा. I am not talking about only physiological or biological need which only determine the perception. There are some psychological needs also which determine the परसेप्शन। तो साइकोलॉजिकल नीड भी होते हैं जिससे परसेप्शन डिफाइन होता है। ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस वन मोटिवेशन पॉइंट। देन इज द परसीवर स्टाइल। यस, परसीवर स्टाइल, परसीवर की जो स्टाइल है परसेप्शन करने के लिए वो भी डिटरमाइन करती है परसेप्शन को। फर्स्टली वी डिस्कस अबाउट द मोटिवेशन नीड, then one more is left, expectancy or you call it expectancy or perceptual set। expectancy or perceptual set, expectancy or perceptual set। So this is also one of the factors which determine the perception। परसीवर की एक्सपेक्टेंसी, परसीवर जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है या उसका कोई मेंटल सेट है, दैट वेरी मच डिटरमाइन द परसेप्शन। पर्सन ने ये एक्सपेक्ट किया है, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑन योर एट योर होम ऑल्सो it was very much decided that this time the milkman came, this time the newspaper came। Okay, so if any knock was on the door on that particular time, you have a mental set, you perceive okay दूध वाला होगा, milkman होगा, newspaper होगा। Similarly in the classroom also, like you know the first period will be taken by this particular teacher, so you have a perception of that teacher only, okay ma'am is coming or other sir is coming। ठीक है, so वो एक्सपेक्टेंसी जो हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं वो भी हमारे परसेप्शन को डिटरमाइन करता है, that also determine our perception। Like if any occasion was there, like your birthday was there or something another thing was there, you expect that मुझे ये मिलना चाहिए, तो आपका परसेप्शन पूरी तरह वो अच्छा यही होगा, अच्छा ये ऐसे शेप का है तो it means I want a mobile phone and it looks like a rectangular shape, so it could be the mobile or the cell phone which I want। So our expectancy also determine our perception, motivation as well determine, our experiences, our cultural background and our experiences also determine our perception। हमने suppose कि some kind of situation which happen in our today's life, in the same kind of situation happened to me before, so मेरा perception उस situation को लेके change हो जाएगा। So हमारे due to our own experiences also our the change in the perception take place। And similarly the cultural background means the culture with whom we belong, जिस भी culture से हम belong करते हैं, that culture very much determine our perception। वो culture हमारे perception को बहुत determine करता है। ठीक है, cultural background, like suppose we had lived in a culture where we have this you can see you have a example, so many examples which is given in your book of the tribal cultures, like those person who are not residing, like the persons who are living in an agriculture area, they have not ever lived in an area where they have seen the buildings and all, so their perception of the buildings and all is totally different. They don't understand it, what this kind of structure it is, because they are from initially they are living in an agriculture area, tribal area. So our cultural background from where we are, that very much determine our perception। So most of the thing I had discussed with you, that our need determine our perception, our expectancy, our experiences, our cultural background. Now perceiver style, this I had not discussed with you. Perceiver की जो style होती है वो भी perception को define करती है. Two kind of styles are mentioned: filled independent and second is filled dependent. One is filled independent and another is filled dependent. Filled independent and filled dependent. I is also denoted for independence and I is also denoted for intelligence. I को आप इंटेलिजेंस से भी डिनोट कर सकते हो और इंडिपेंडेंस से भी डिनोट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. और इंटेलिजेंस आई फॉर इंडिपेंडेंट, फील्ड डिपेंडेंट, ठीक है. Filled independent, filled dependent, intelligence, I for intelligence, I for independent. And ये जो इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं वो पहले किसी भी चीज़ को एज अ पार्ट देखते हैं, देन दे कंसिडर इट एज अ होल. ये इंटेलिजेंस लोगों की पहचान होती है. दे आर एबल टू सी द पार्ट्स ऑफ एनी स्टिमुलस, ओके. एंड फील्ड डिपेंडेंट जो होते हैं, they see the things as a whole, then they goes to the parts. So ये आपको concept define करना बहुत ही जरूरी है, ठीक है. The person who are filled independent जो होते हैं parts में, means like for example if any stimulus is presented over them, they are able to point out some of the minute things from them, ओके, क्योंकि वो पार्ट्स में देख पाते हैं. और फील्ड डिपेंडेंट जो होते हैं वो किसी चीज़ को एज अ होल देखते हैं, पार्ट्स में देखना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. लाइक वन ऑफ द डायग्राम इज गिवन इन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक वेयर यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द ट्राइंगल्स. यू कैन गो थ्रू योर बुक जिसमें आपको ट्राइंगल्स फाइंड आउट करना है. सो जो फील्ड इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे दे आर एबल टू फाइंड आउट द ट्राइंगल्स, देयर आर सो मेनी ट्राइंगल. बट जो फील्ड डिपेंडेंट होंगे they found, ऐसा नहीं they are unable to find out the triangle, but they found difficulty in finding out. उनको difficulty हो सकती है. So is it clear? Field independent and field dependent. So perceiver style, either perceiver style is field independent or either the perceiver style is field dependent. Both determine the person perception. दोनों ही person के perception को determine कर रहा है. If the person is field independent, तो उसका परसेप्शन क्या होगा, एज अ पार्ट देन टू होल. इफ द पर्सन इज फील्ड डिपेंडेंट देन उसका परसेप्शन क्या होगा, एज अ होल देन गोज टू द पार्ट. सो आई होप दिस ऑल थिंग्स व्हिच आई हैड शोन हियर यू आर ऑल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो हियर इन दिस वीडियो चिल्ड्रन आई डिस्कस विद यू व्हाट इज परसेप्शन, हाउ इज इट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द सेंसेशन, then what are the processing in perception, then I discuss with you the perceiver characteristics. What are the perceiver characteristics which influence the perception? perceiver के ऐसे कौन से characteristics होते हैं जो कि perception को influence करते हैं. I hope you understand whatever the things I had discussed. Still if you have any doubt, you come up with the questions, children. Your questions are most welcome and discuss with me your doubts, okay? Discuss with your doubts, and I must say to you all, thank you so much for carefully listening and observing this video, carefully listening and carefully writing down. Make the notes properly and revise it again and again. Okay, thank you so much.